Hey boo hey, I am back with a super quick tutorial on some string beans and red potatoes. Okay, let's do it. I found these Louisiana Cajun smoked turkey tails at the grocery store by me. If you can't find the Louisiana kind, just use regular. Of course, we're going to boil them and cook them until they're tender. Now we're going to chop up some red potatoes however way you like. We're going to also chop up a half an onion however the way you like. And then we're using canned green beans. Drain the juice and rinse them. Y'all could talk about y'all mama and y'all granny because they definitely used these in the past. But I'm not gonna be in y'all business. All right, the seasonings that we using is some kosher salt. Don't use a lot, just a pinch, okay? Black pepper. Don't use a lot. Nah, use a lot. Some garlic powder. I love garlic powder. And some chicken base, which is basically like chicken stock. Hey, cook this down and you will have the greatest meal of a lifetime. All right, y'all. Told you it was quick.